What's up everyone, CPS blog is here and today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is simply NW-102655-9. There was an error with the application. It's an application error, and I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Look at that. Here we simply just check your application is up to date or not. If not updated, you simply update it, and here we go to the system and check the system software update. If the system software is not updated, you must update. Sometimes the system is an older version and application new, that's why you're getting the error. And go to the storage. You must have a space in your storage because sometimes your application needs a space for the save files. And in the last, what to do, just turn off your PlayStation 5 and go to the save mode. There is a rebuild database. You simply just rebuild the database or clear cache, and then you get back to your home screen on your PS5 and it will be fixed. You can update your system software, update your application, and I hope so it will be fixed. And if you want to ask me a question or more details, you just put a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.